This is actually a two-step process because you have to make sure the feature is activated. Hey guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this is all about cool car tech. So your 2024 BMW X2 should come equipped with a standard remote start on your key fob. Now, a standard remote start should be on any new BMW from 2020 and onwards. And today, like I said, I'm going to show you how to use it. So it's quite simple. Make sure your vehicle is locked, and then on your key fob, okay, it will actually say to push it 3 times. You know you've done it correctly because the lights will actually flash to indicate that the vehicle is on. Now you could also use your key fob to actually turn the feature off. Once again, the lights will indicate that it's working. You just push the button 3 times yet again. Now, this is actually a two-step process because you have to make sure the feature is activated. So let's jump inside. So like I mentioned, guys, activating your remote start feature is a two-step process. So you have to go through your infotainment system and make sure the feature is activated. So first, click on your climate feature, go through the gear icon, and then select preconditioning. Once you select preconditioning, make sure the remote start feature is green and highlighted. Okay, if this is not green and highlighted, it's not going to work for you. You have to say okay to state laws may differ, remote start, etc. Okay, again, green. Now the feature is activated. Okay guys, that's it. It's pretty easy to use your remote start feature on your BMW. And like I said, 2020 onwards, you should have this feature as standard, but make sure you're asking your local dealership. Guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Check out my review of the BMW X2 and don't forget to subscribe.